Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill out the UK tourist visa from online in 2025. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Chrome and search for UK visa online application. Click on the first link that pops up. Now scroll down and click the apply now button. Next, you will be prompted to select your language. Once done, click on next. Now choose the country where you'll be providing your biometrics and then continue by following on-screen instructions. The application will ask for some personal details, your travel history, and you'll also need to upload a few required documents. Once you have completed everything, simply submit your application. After submission, keep an eye out for the further instructions on your biometrics and visa processing. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this.